Have you ever wondered what it takes to not just succeed but thrive in the relentless world of high finance? The kind of success that sees you rise to the very top, building one of the largest hedge funds in the world, managing billions of dollars, and maintaining your mental equilibrium all the while? It sounds almost impossible, doesn't it? But Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, has done just that, and he's done it with a leadership philosophy that revolves around meditation, mindfulness, and radical transparency. It's fascinating to think that at the core of Dalio's extraordinary achievements lies a practice we might associate with peace, calm, and introspection: meditation. Yes, Dalio, the billionaire investor, the man who built a financial empire, swears by the power of meditation. How intriguing is that? But it's not just the simple act of meditating that has shaped his leadership. It's how he's integrated these ancient practices into the fast-paced, high-pressure world of global finance that makes his story so captivating. Let's dive into Dalio's journey, his remarkable philosophies, and how they have transformed not just his life, but the lives of those around him. Ray Dalio, the early days. To truly appreciate Dalio's incredible approach to leadership, we have to start at the beginning. Picture Ray Dalio in the 1970s, just another young man entering the financial world, trying to find his way. He wasn't always the calm, collected leader we see today. Like many of us, he had to grapple with the pressures and uncertainties of his chosen career. Yet, unlike most people, Dalio discovered early on that success in finance didn't just depend on making the right decisions at the right time. It also depended on staying level-headed, especially when everything around you seemed to be falling apart. That's when he found transcendental meditation, TM. For Dalio, meditation wasn't just some trend or wellness fad. It was, and still is, a way of life. He started practicing TM in the early 1970s, at a time when the financial markets were anything but stable. And let's face it, if you're managing millions, soon to be billions, of dollars in investments, staying calm isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. But how do you stay calm when the stakes are that high? When market volatility, unpredictable crises, and complex decisions threaten to overwhelm you? For Dalio, meditation was the answer. Imagine the typical day of a hedge fund manager: constant pressure, high-risk decisions, and the weight of other people's money resting on your shoulders. It's the kind of environment that can easily send someone into a spiral of stress. But Dalio? He turned to meditation, quieting his mind for 20 minutes, twice a day, allowing him to tap into deeper layers of creativity and insight. Isn't that incredible? Just think about the difference that kind of focus could make in your life. Meditation, the heart of Dalio's success. Let's talk about transcendental meditation, TM, for a moment. It's not just any form of meditation, it's a practice designed to help the mind settle into a state of restful awareness. You sit comfortably, close your eyes, and silently repeat a mantra. It sounds simple, but the effects are profound. Dalio has often said that TM helps him access a quieter, deeper part of his mind, where the clutter of daily thoughts and anxieties fades away, allowing him to think more clearly and creatively. Now, imagine you're Dalio, navigating the choppy waters of the financial markets, where one bad decision could spell disaster. Instead of letting the pressure get to him, he takes a step back, breathes, and meditates. He's not running from the problem, he's giving himself the space to see the problem from a new perspective. Doesn't that sound like something we could all benefit from? In fact, Dalio credits much of his success to this simple but profound practice. But it's not just about staying calm under pressure. Meditation has given Dalio something even more valuable: the ability to detach from his emotions in the heat of the moment. In finance, emotions like fear and greed can cloud judgment. But for Dalio, meditation allows him to observe his thoughts and feelings without being swept away by them. He's talked about how this practice has helped him make better decisions, not just in finance, but in every aspect of his life. Think about it, how often do we let our emotions drive our choices? Imagine what it would be like to have that kind of mental clarity. The Bridgewater culture, Radical Transparency Meets Mindfulness, Dalio didn't stop at just practicing meditation for his personal well-being. No, he took things a step further. He brought these practices into the heart of his company, Bridgewater Associates. And this is where things get really interesting. Imagine working in a place where the CEO not only encourages but actively supports your mental health through mindfulness practices. That's exactly what Dalio has done at Bridgewater. One of the most talked about aspects of Bridgewater's culture is its commitment to radical transparency. It's a bold, almost revolutionary concept in the corporate world. Can you picture it? In most companies, people are afraid to speak up, to challenge authority, or to voice uncomfortable truths. But at Bridgewater, Dalio has created an environment where honesty is not only valued, it's expected. How does that relate to mindfulness, you ask? Well, meditation teaches us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. And that's exactly what Dalio wants his employees to do: observe, analyze, and communicate without letting their egos get in the way. Isn't that amazing? By fostering an environment where people are encouraged to be completely honest about their strengths, weaknesses, and performance, Dalio has created a culture of continuous improvement. Just like meditation allows individuals to grow by facing their thoughts head-on, radical transparency helps employees grow by confronting uncomfortable truths. Compassion in leadership, the Dalio way. Now, let's talk about compassion. Wait, compassion? In the cutthroat world of finance? Yes, you heard that right. Ray Dalio has made compassion a cornerstone of his leadership style. He's often said that great leaders are not just intellectually sharp, but also emotionally attuned to the needs of their people. And that emotional intelligence? It comes from his meditation practice. Imagine being a leader who not only understands complex financial models but also understands the emotions and motivations of your team. That's the kind of leader Dalio strives to be. He believes that by being mindful of others' feelings, by listening deeply, and by showing empathy, leaders can build stronger, more effective teams. Can you think of a better way to foster loyalty and collaboration? It's refreshing, isn't it? To think that in a world so often driven by competition and self-interest, Dalio is pushing a message of compassion and emotional intelligence. And it's not just talk. At Bridgewater, leaders are encouraged to deeply listen to their employees, to understand their challenges, and to work together to find solutions. That's real leadership, meditation for employees, a key to success. Dalio's commitment to mindfulness doesn't stop with him, it extends to his entire team. At Bridgewater, meditation isn't just something the CEO does in his spare time. It's part of the company culture. Imagine working for a company where you're encouraged to take time out of your busy day to meditate. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But for Dalio, it makes perfect sense. He believes that the same benefits he's experienced, improved focus, creativity, and emotional balance, can help his employees perform at their best. Just think about it, you're in a high-pressure job, and instead of being told to push through or tough it out, you're encouraged to pause, meditate, and come back to the task with a clear mind. It's revolutionary. And the results speak for themselves. Dalio has found that employees who meditate are not only more focused and creative but also more resilient. In the fast-paced world of global finance, where markets can change in the blink of an eye, that kind of mental resilience is priceless. Transparency, the key to innovation. Now, let's dive deeper into the idea of radical transparency. It's a practice that defines Bridgewater's unique approach to management, and it's one of the reasons the firm has been able to stay ahead of the curve. Imagine being in a meeting where every conversation is recorded, where feedback is direct and honest, and where no one, no matter their rank, is above scrutiny. That's Bridgewater, at first glance. It might sound a little intimidating. But when you think about it, doesn't it make perfect sense? How often do companies falter because people are afraid to speak up, to challenge the status quo, or to admit when they've made a mistake? At Bridgewater, Dalio has removed that fear by creating a culture where transparency is the norm. Employees are encouraged to share their ideas, no matter how unconventional, and to give feedback, no matter how uncomfortable it might be. What does this have to do with meditation? Well, just like meditation encourages individuals to observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, radical transparency encourages employees to observe their actions and decisions with the same clarity. It's all about creating an environment where truth can surface, where innovation can flourish, and where continuous improvement is the goal. Creativity, the secret weapon. Dalio has often spoken about the importance of creativity in leadership. For him, creativity isn't just about coming up with new ideas, it's about seeing connections that others miss, about solving complex problems in innovative ways. And guess what? He believes meditation plays a critical role in unlocking that creativity. Have you ever had one of those aha moments, where a solution to a problem suddenly appears out of nowhere? That's what Dalio experiences through meditation. By quieting his mind, he allows his thoughts to settle, and in that stillness, new ideas emerge. Isn't that an incredible concept? Meditation isn't just about relaxation, it's about creating space for creativity to flow. In the fast-paced world of finance, where every decision counts, that kind of creative thinking is invaluable. It's what sets Dalio apart from others in his field. While some might rely solely on data and analysis, Dalio taps into something deeper. He's able to see the bigger picture, to connect the dots in ways others might not. And he credits meditation for giving him that edge, a model for modern leadership. Ray Dalio's leadership style is truly unique. He's managed to integrate ancient mindfulness practices with modern management techniques in a way that has transformed not just his company, but the broader business world. Think about it. How many leaders today are talking about the importance of emotional intelligence, mindfulness, and compassion? More and more, thanks to pioneers like Dalio, his success at Bridgewater isn't just about financial acumen. It's about creating a culture where people can thrive, where they're encouraged to be their best selves, and where the mind is treated as the most valuable asset of all. Isn't that something we all want from our leaders? Dalio's influence, a global movement. Ray Dalio's influence extends far beyond the walls of Bridgewater Associates. He's become a thought leader on the global stage, sharing his insights on meditation, mindfulness, and leadership with audiences around the world. His book, Principles, Life Work, has become a bestseller, inspiring countless leaders to rethink how they approach business and life. And the best part? Dalio doesn't keep his wisdom to himself. He's passionate about sharing what he's learned with others, especially when it comes to the benefits of meditation. He's often said that if he could give one piece of advice to people starting out in their careers, it would be to meditate. Can you imagine the impact that could have? If more people embraced mindfulness and meditation, could we create a world that's not just more successful, but also more compassionate, creative, and emotionally intelligent? Meditation as a lifelong practice. For Ray Dalio, meditation isn't just a tool for success, it's a lifelong practice. He's been meditating for decades, and he's seen the benefits firsthand. It's not just about calming the mind or reducing stress, though those are certainly important aspects. It's about creating a foundation for personal growth, creativity, and resilience. And isn't that what we're all striving for? Dalio's story is a powerful reminder that success doesn't have to come at the cost of well-being. In fact, the two can go hand in hand. By taking care of his mind, by practicing mindfulness and meditation, Dalio has been able to achieve extraordinary things, both personally and professionally. And the best part? He's shown us that we can do it too. Conclusion: a new path for leadership and life. Ray Dalio's journey is nothing short of inspiring. From the high-stakes world of global finance to the quiet, reflective practice of meditation, he's demonstrated that true success comes not just from what we do, but from how we think. His integration of meditation, mindfulness, and radical transparency into the fabric of Bridgewater Associates has revolutionized the way companies can operate, offering a new path for leaders everywhere. So, what can we learn from Ray Dalio? Perhaps it's this: in a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, we all have the power to find stillness, to tap into our creativity, and to lead with compassion. Dalio's story is a testament to the idea that ancient practices like meditation have a profound place in our modern lives. And who knows? Maybe the next time you're faced with a tough decision or a stressful situation, you'll take a page from Dalio's book, close your eyes, and let your mind settle. You just might find that the answers you're looking for are already within you.